Good day!
Aaron Hinobe,
Christine de la Peña.
Hindi, ganyan lang yun.
University of Makati to conduct an interview regarding our topic.
Use of the new student voters aged 8 years old and above at the University of Makati in the College of Governance and Public Policy for the coming presidential election for 2010.
Our first interviewee is Brian Suazo, their peer host.
So our first question, are you prepared enough for the coming presidential election for 2010?
Yes, I'm prepared. I'm excited to go again for this upcoming presidential election.
I have any idea or opinion about all automated elections.
I believe that for automated elections, there should be an automated election right now because it will expedite the result, the election return of the vote.
So what is your positional attitude for the coming presidential election?
Yung kanina.
Number one, you should be observant. Number two, you should be vigilant about the result. And number three, you should be aware the candidate that you will vote for.
Anything you would like to add?
Is there any standard in choosing president for the coming presidential election?
Number one, you should have a heart for change, for reform, and third and last, he has moral ascendancy, integrity.
Okay, that's all. Thank you so much, Mr. Suazo. Our second interviewee is Miss Cecil Sulga, 19 years old. Okay, please come in, Miss Cecil. Okay, my first question to you, as a student, are you prepared enough for presidential election for 2010?
I can't really answer yes because it is my first time to vote, but I think it will be a very significant experience and work for me because I will be a part of the creation of those who will lead our country. But I think as of now I am ready because I am already aware of the current issues about our political system. Second question, do you have any idea or what is your idea about false automated election? False automated election? Well, I am not really aware of the technical issues about it, but I have an idea also, and I think it will be more practical for us to use that type of system in voting.
So, our third question, do you have any standard?
Standard in voting candidates.
Yeah.
Well, primarily, I would like to choose a politician who is God-fearing and who is credible and who is really willing to serve our country without his self-interest. That's all. Thank you.
Partner, do you want to add anything, something? No? Thank you so much. Okay, next.
Our third interviewee is Miss Angeline Andrade.
Okay, Miss Angeline, please come in. So my first question to you, Miss Angeline. As a student, are you prepared enough for the presidential election for 2010?
As of now, I think I am not prepared, but I am preparing myself because I'm turning 18 on May, before
year.
May, yes, next year, and I have the right of suffrage, and I can now practice my right of suffrage. Okay, next question. Do you have any idea or any I don't have the accurate idea about the automation,
Oh, yeah.
but I guess it's the process of counting the result of the election.
Okay. What is your dispositional attitude for the coming presidential election? In a negative or positive way?
Neutral. Bakit? I can identify where I vote, but I don't think that our state can measure. I don't think that our state can provide
Babaklaran
measure
sa'yo.
for the
For the poll commission.
last question. I want a president that is very intense. I want someone
Yung silang tatlo ilagay mo.
that
Teka lang.
every Filipino citizen not only for his
Self-interest.
Ay, sa ako na naman ah. Ay, sa akin ah.
Guys, that's all. Thank you so much. Andy.
3, 2,
2, 1.
1, start. Our last interview.
Our last interviewee is Ronald Chavez, 90 years old. Hey, Mr. Chavez is coming. Alright.
First question.
Okay, may... my first question. As a student, are you prepared now for presidential election for 2010?
Oo naman. Siyempre, handa tayo lahat. Tapos, siyempre, kailangan din natin magkaroon ng basehan bago ka pumasok sa mga kung kaugnay sa
Speaking of standard, Miss
Do you
Christine,
set any standards in choosing president for the upcoming presidency?
meron. Dalawa lang ang sinet ko yung standard. Yung may takot sa Diyos at may pagmamahal sa bayan.
that's a very good answer, sir. Okay, my question. What is your disposition and attitude in presidential election for 2010? Positive or negative view?
Mix, para sa akin, parehas. Kasi para sa akin kasi, sa 2010 election, para sa akin, pwedeng ituloy, pwedeng hindi ituloy kasi marami pang kailangang ayusin, lalo-lalo na yung mga naapektuhan ng nagdaang mga bagyo.
Last question. What is your opinion or any idea about automated election?
Sa akin, hindi ako pabor sa automated election kasi masyadong yung perang ginastos para dun sa mga machines ay sana ginamit na lang yung perang yun para pondohan yung mga talagang nangangailangan ng mga taong mamamayan.
Okay. That's all, sir. Thank you so much.
Post ko po na post.
That's all, po. Again, she is Christine de la Peña.
And he is Aaron Hinobe.
And this is the end of our documentary. Thank you.